Hello everyone and welcome back to Taste from Home. Today in our kitchen, we're gonna make some delicious oat cookies. They are really quick and simple to make with only 3 ingredients, and of course, a guilt-free snack for all you out there who are just like me, got a huge sweet tooth and can't get enough snacks throughout the day. What are we waiting for? Let's get started with our cookies. First one, in a large mixing bowl, using a fork, nicely smash 3 ripe bananas. They will create a natural sweetness for cookies, so ripe bananas with dark spots will be perfect. Next, I have here my trustworthy rolled oats. For today's recipe, we're gonna use about 140 to 150 grams oats. All we need to do now is mix to create our cookie dough. In the mixing process, if you find the mixture too wet, please feel free to add more rolled oats. And here's my personal favorite thing to add to my oat cookies, chocolate chips. You can substitute them with cocoa nibs, raisins, nuts, everything that you like basically. Nicely fold them to our cookie dough and everything is ready. Moving on to our cookies, take about 2 tablespoons of cookie dough in your palms and start shaping the cookies. Since the oat cookies don't expand that much in the oven, we are going to shape them and flatten them beforehand. Place them on a baking mat or a baking sheet and repeat the same step with the remaining dough. For the ingredients I'm using today, we will be able to make 9 to 10 cookies. We are bake our cookies in 180 degrees C for about 12 to 40 minutes until the top is set and the cookies turn lightly brown. Then take them out of the oven and let them cool down to room temperature. They can be stored up to 1 week in an airtight container, but I'm not sure they will last that long. So after less than 30 minutes of preparation and baking, we have here our oat cookies, really healthy, really delicious. If you remake this at home, don't forget to snap some pictures and share them with me with the hashtag #TasteFromHome. I would love to know how you enjoy them. Good luck and bon appétit! Mwah!